The Street is the looker of the Edge lineup. Adorned with model-specific exterior kit that includes an aggressive front fascia drawing inspiration from the Mustang Shelby GT350, an egg crate-style grille, special side cladding, and a shapely rear bumper cover with squared-off cutouts for the dual exhaust system, the Edge Street looks the business. This tester took things a couple of steps further courtesy of $595 worth of white platinum paint and the addition of the $695 Saint Performance brake package that adds a set of black painted 21-inch wheels replacing standard 20s and red painted calipers as well as a host of performance items. The interior relays a similar vibe, and the Edge's generally attractive cabin benefits from distinct Saint items such as a steering wheel with special badging, kick plates, and front seats. These features complement typical Edge details that include an array of quality plastics, a new for 2019 twist dial shift lever, and massive pillars that can hold compact cars from the driver's line of vision. The view out the rear isn't much better, as the Edge's thick T-pillars also leave large blind spots.